Right, so I've come up from Llangorse, the little village that's by the lake, and I've finally got a view of the summit of the mountain, or the hill I suppose, and there it is. So we go up to, there's like a gap in the road between Mynydd Llangorse, which is up there, Mynydd Troed, and then we take a left path and follow a really steep ridge, and then it sort of wraps round a bit and then up onto the summit. So nice little short one, and we'll get the next section when we're up on the gap in the road. So at the gap in the road, view in the distance over to a clouded Mynydd summit and the central Brecon Beacons, which summits are shrouded in cloud. But last time I came here, all the caps there was like snow caps. It's beautiful. There's the lake, Llangorse Lake. This is the gap in the road, so turning right takes you up to Llangorse Mountain. Up there, I've never been up there. To try that one day. View over into Penarthmore, the Black Mountains, and then this is it here. So we're going up towards Mynydd Troed, and we'll get a little section over where those sheep are, because that's where it starts to get steep. So yeah, nice little walk from Llangorse. Straightforward. Map isn't difficult by any means. That's the start point there, just where the lake is. Didn't video the first section because it's just on a kind of bit of a boring sort of single track country lane, nothing interesting. But the summit's cool up here. It's got quite a cool trig point. So yeah, carry on for a bit and I'll catch you in a bit. So the view of the lake has opened up a bit. It's quite a cool looking sky today, sort of quite imposing, quite dramatic looking. That low cloud blanket, and that's Llangorse there. I haven't done that one. It looks quite good. It's where most of the people go. This side is the sort of lonelier aspect of the mountain. I like that, as you know, if you've watched my videos. So we are going to progress a bit further, and the view should start to open up. So at the section where the path plateaus off a bit, and you can go straight up the spine of it there, but I quite like the walk that goes around the edge. Nice view now. A bit grim up here, slightly windy and cold, mid-December, but it's not raining and there's no severe wind, so it's pretty good. So this path kind of wraps around the back of the summit and comes back onto it. So it's quite a nice little circular route around the summit. See you in a bit. So almost there. About another sort of 20 metres probably of ascent. I love this pre-summit view into this valley. It's really cool. That's a nice view of the Mynydd Llangorse summit. It's a sort of flat top hill. A nice view of this ridge line with the different colours, the sheep and the little slate piles. Something that's sort of unique to this area. The landscape, the colours. Somewhere I've been walking for many years. I never get tired of it. So I'm going to get up to the summit now, and then I might go for a scooter along that ridge depending on the time. This is just a quick pre-work walk, so on a bit of a time schedule, but really enjoying it. There we are, summit. Sort of small dome in the kind of vastness of the area. With the Welsh flag. There's one on Hay Bluff, and I think there's one on one of the return ridges off the Penarthmore Brecon's Horseshoe. That sort of geeky ride. any good deer there. Nice. Chill up here for a bit and then think about the return. Right, so made the decision to come down just because got to get to work, but the ridge on the far side, I'm not sure if the views really improve a lot, but it was getting grim up there, some horrible rain and sort of wind and things. So yeah, it's a cool one. It's nice and quiet, and it's great for just an hour and a half or so. Well, it's probably about hour and a half, 2 hours from the lake. Go and explore the lake one day, and you know, in the morning the mountain, you come up the mountain in the afternoon. It's, you know, it's a full day out. So yeah, cool. Gonna chip off, but we'll catch you on the next one.